In this lesson, we are going to connect the pages that we created in Page Builder and SP Properties to the front end of the website. So right now we have to connect these. If you click on About Us, nothing's going to happen because that's not connected to anything at the moment. So let's get started first with the home page. You're going to click on, you get that from menus, and then you choose your menu from the drop down. And let's go over to this part. You want to click on this where it says select, and you want to go to SP Page Builder. You choose that, and next you want to go with the select page and then click on this, and you're going to see all the pages that you've created and select the page that you want to be associated with that menu. And then there's our Helix page title here. Since this is the home page, we don't need to activate this yet, but in the other menus we're going to do that. So once you've done so, you click on save and close. And next let's go to the about. So do the same thing, go to select SP Page Builder, and you're going to activate this here. You want to click select and go to about, and then you want to go to the Helix and you want to set this to enable yes. And you have an option here. You can change the background color. So let me just change this background color to something like that, or I'll just leave it. All right, let's put that. So you can set that and just click on save so you can see what it looks like on the front, and you can put an image or you can put the background color. So let's go to the front end now, refresh this, and we are going to take a look at the About Us page. So this is what you have, About. So if you want to keep this color, you can, but if you want to replace it with an image, you can do that as well. So let's say you want to replace that with an image. So you click here, and we are going to select an image from the site. So once you've selected your header that you want to go back there, you click on upload. So I've just uploaded the header that I want to use for the back. So I click it, then I click insert. So now I've just inserted a header for this. So let's click on save, and you're going to see the difference between the both of them. So let me click on this here to open a new page and go to the about. So now instead of having this color, you have an image. So whatever image that you want to put in the background, I think that with real estate sites, having an image, it makes it look more professional. So you want to put something, back there instead of just having just this black, because as you see now, the black just doesn't look, the same compared to having an image. And then let's go to save and close. And we're going to do the same thing for the other page. So let's go over to the properties. So the properties, go over to the detail. You want to go to select, and you want to select SP property, and you want to choose the properties, which I've done so. And then you click save. So let's go now on the front end and see what this looks like. So this is what it looks like. And it shows you the total number of properties that you have. It shows you the apartments, number of apartments, commercial, condo, farmland, and industrial. So when people are looking for something, they can be able to say, okay, I want some commercial properties. They click on the commercial, then it shows them all the commercial properties, however many you have, and they can also get more information by putting their mouse over it. So now if, let's say you want to activate this here as we did for the About Us, enable, and let's select that same image for the background, which is this one here, and then click on save, and let's refresh it. So now you have properties. Once again, it just looks better. It looks better. And we're going to do the same thing for the other pages. So you want to save and close and go to agents, do the same thing. All right, so what I did, I had all the pages connected. So when you refresh each page, you notice that all of them now are connected. Go to the contact and you go to the FAQ. All of these have been connected. And let's go back to the blog for a second. And I just want to show you something here. I know for those of you who probably got a little stuck on this. What you do is when you go over to select, you go to articles and you go to category block. That's the option you choose. It's going to ask you what category that you want to showcase or you want to show on the front end. Then you can pick and choose. But if you have multiple categories, then you can do the category list and you just choose everything. But let's stick with this one now because we want to showcase everything from this blog. And then you have this option here. You can disable some things. So let's go over here. So if you want to disable where it says buy, to disable this user name or the category or the date or the number of hits that is received, you can just do that. Come by here and you can do the block layout option. So you go to option. This is where you can disable the title. You want to disable the link titles, intro text. So you scroll through here and disable what you don't want on this blog. So right now I'm just leaving everything as it is. So when people come, we just have to do one more thing, which is to activate the menu title and insert. So let's take a look at this now. Refresh it now. We have the blog and this background image, and everything looks like this. Okay, let's move on to the next lesson.